Have you ever wondered about the most amazing places on Earth that you've never heard of? Imagine a world that's teeming with breathtaking beauty, a world that's a testament to the incredible diversity and creativity of Mother Nature. This is the world we live in, a world filled with awe-inspiring landscapes that range from the towering peaks of the Himalayas to the endless expanse of the Sahara Desert, from the serene beaches of the Maldives to the bustling metropolis of Tokyo. Each corner of our planet holds its unique charm. Some places are celebrated, their images gracing postcards and travel magazines. Yet there are countless others that remain lesser known, their beauty quietly tucked away, waiting to be discovered. Picture the majesty of a mountain range that stretches as far as the eye can see, its peaks cloaked in a blanket of snow. Imagine the tranquility of a pristine beach, its turquoise waters gently lapping against the shore. Envision the vibrancy of a bustling city, its streets teeming with life and energy. Now, think about the vastness of a desert, its dunes stretching into the horizon, the silence broken only by the whispering wind. These are but glimpses of the wonders our world holds. It's fascinating to think that despite the advancements in technology and the ease of travel, there are still places on our planet that remain relatively unexplored. These hidden gems, away from the usual tourist trails, are where the true magic lies. They offer us a chance to witness the raw beauty of nature, untouched and unspoiled. The diversity of our world's landscapes is truly remarkable. It's a testament to the endless possibilities that nature can create. From lush rainforests teeming with life to barren deserts that hold their own stark beauty, from tranquil beaches that soothe the soul to vibrant cities that pulse with energy, our world is an incredible tapestry of contrasts and colors, sights and sounds. So let's cast aside the familiar and venture into the unknown. Let's delve into the lesser-known wonders of our world, the places that are waiting to mesmerize us with their untold beauty. Let's embark on a journey to discover some of these hidden gems. Imagine yourself in the heart of the world's largest tropical rainforest, the Amazon. A sea of green that spans over 2 million square miles, the Amazon rainforest is a world teeming with life. A symphony of nature's most radiant colors and a testament to the sheer power of biodiversity. This vast expanse, often called the lungs of our planet, breathes life into our world, with its trees producing 20% of the Earth's oxygen. Here life thrives in abundance, with an estimated 40,000 plant species, 2.5 million insect species, and more than 2,000 birds and mammals. From the emerald tree boa that slithers through the leaves, to the vibrant poison dart frogs that hop along the forest floor, to the majestic harpy eagles soaring above the canopy, the Amazon is a living museum of evolution and adaptation. But the magic of the Amazon extends beyond its flora and fauna. It's also home to some of the world's most unique and resilient indigenous tribes who have lived off the rainforest's bounty for thousands of years. These tribes, with their rich cultures, ancient traditions, and deep wisdom of the forest, are as integral to the Amazon's ecosystem as the wildlife itself. The Amazon rainforest isn't just a place, it's a world in itself, a world where you can find plants with healing properties yet to be discovered by modern medicine, where creatures of the night sing their songs under a canopy of stars, where rivers run like veins carrying life throughout this vast green body. It's a place of mystery and wonder, of life in its most raw and powerful form, a place where every tree, every leaf, every creature has a story to tell. It's a place that reminds us of nature's boundless creativity, of its strength and fragility, and of our own responsibility to protect and preserve this precious gift. The Amazon rainforest, a place where life thrives in every corner, truly a magical place. From the lush greenery of the Amazon, we move to the golden sands of the Sahara Desert. The Sahara, known as the largest hot desert in the world, spans a staggering 9 million square kilometers. Its name, derived from the Arabic word for desert, Sahara, is a fitting tribute to its vast expanse. Imagine a sea of sand stretching as far as the eye can see under a sun that paints the sky with hues of gold. The desert is not just a barren wasteland, but a vibrant ecosystem teeming with life. The Sahara is home to resilient species that have adapted to its harsh conditions. Among these are the nomadic tribes who have lived here for centuries, their lives intertwined with the rhythm of the desert. These tribes have developed ingenious ways to survive in this harsh environment. They navigate sprawling sand dunes, endure scorching heat during the day, and brace against freezing temperatures at night. Their knowledge of the desert, passed down through generations, is a testament to human resilience and adaptability. But the Sahara is not merely about survival. It's about the mystical charm that the desert nights hold. As the sun dips below the horizon, the desert transforms. The sky, once a canvas of gold, becomes a blanket of darkness, dotted with countless stars. It's a sight that has captivated travelers for centuries, a spectacle that leaves one in awe of the universe's grandeur. The desert nights are also a time for gathering around a fire, sharing stories under the starlit sky, a time when the nomadic tribes come together in a celebration of their shared heritage. It's a scene that echoes with the laughter of the present and the whispers of the past. A dance of shadows and light that adds to the mystique of the desert. The Sahara Desert, with its timeless beauty, endless sand dunes, resilient life and star-filled nights, is not just a geographical marvel, it's a testament to life's resilience and the mystique of nature. There's a magic to the Sahara, a charm that draws you in and leaves you forever changed. The Sahara Desert, a testament to life's resilience and the mystique of nature. Leaving behind the desert sands, we find ourselves in the serene tropical paradise of the Maldives. Nestled in the heart of the Indian Ocean, the Maldives is a collection of over 1,000 coral islands, each one more breathtaking than the last. Imagine stepping onto a beach of pure white sand, so soft it feels like a cushion beneath your feet. The warm tropical air wraps around you like a comforting blanket, while the sun shines brightly overhead, casting a dazzling reflection on the crystal-clear waters that stretch out as far as the eye can see. The waters of the Maldives are a treasure trove of marine life, from vibrant coral reefs teeming with a rainbow of tropical fish, to majestic manta rays gliding effortlessly through the deep blue. Every moment in this underwater wonderland is a spectacle to behold. But the Maldives is more than just a beach paradise. It's a nation with a rich history and a unique culture. The Maldivian people, known for their warm hospitality, have a deep connection to the sea that permeates every aspect of their daily life. From the thatched roof huts built on stilts over the water to the traditional dhoni boats that dot the horizon, the Maldives is a place where the rhythm of the sea and the warmth of its people create a harmony that is truly captivating. The Maldives is also a pioneer in environmental conservation. With over 80% of its land less than 1 meter above sea level, the Maldives is on the front line of the fight against climate change. The nation has committed to becoming carbon neutral by 2030, and its efforts towards coral reef conservation and sustainable tourism are a testament to its dedication to preserving its natural beauty for future generations. As the sun sets, painting the sky with hues of pink and orange, the soothing sound of the waves lapping against the shore is a gentle reminder of the timeless beauty of this island paradise. The Maldives, where you can lose yourself in the serenity of nature. From the tranquility of the Maldives, we land in the vibrant and bustling city of Tokyo. A city that pulses with life, Tokyo is a kaleidoscope of neon lights, towering skyscrapers, and a skyline that seems to touch the stars. But don't let the modern facade fool you, for Tokyo is also a city deeply rooted in tradition and culture. In the heart of this urban jungle, you'll find ancient shrines and temples nestled among the glass and steel structures. The Meiji Shrine, a sanctuary in the midst of the city, offers a moment of peace and reflection, a testament to Tokyo's ability to balance the old with the new. Let's not forget about Tokyo's thriving technology scene. This city is a global leader in innovation, where cutting-edge technology is a part of everyday life. Robots serve coffee, trains travel at lightning speeds, and digital art installations redefine the boundaries of creativity. Yet, Tokyo's vibrance extends beyond its architecture and technology. The city's cultural scene is a feast for the senses. From the meticulous art of tea ceremonies to the adrenaline-fueled excitement of sumo wrestling matches, Tokyo embraces its cultural heritage while constantly evolving. The city's cuisine, too, is a celebration of tradition and innovation. Tokyo boasts an impressive number of Michelin-starred restaurants. Whether it's a bowl of ramen from a street-side vendor or an elaborate sushi course at a high-end restaurant, every bite tells a story of craftsmanship and passion. And when the sun sets, Tokyo transforms into a city of lights. The neon glow of billboards, the gentle flicker of lanterns in izakayas, and the dazzling display of the Tokyo Tower all contribute to a nightlife that's nothing short of electric. Tokyo, a city that never sleeps, where the old meets the new in a fascinating blend. This city, with its pulsating energy and deep respect for tradition, truly embodies the spirit of Japan. It's a city of contrasts, where every turn reveals something unexpected, making Tokyo a destination that's always ready to surprise and delight.